Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete your recent played on your Spotify. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your Spotify app right there in your mobile phone. Once you have opened up your Spotify, you're simply gonna go ahead. So if you go to our recently played, we will see this, right? So what we can do is for us to remove them. So even if you tap on this three dot icon beside the songs that we have played, we don't have an option called removing them. Even if we can go ahead and see all of ours recently played, and but we still do not have that option to remove them. So here in Spotify, apparently, unfortunately, we do not have that option. But if you like to remove your recently played, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply go ahead, keep changing your track list, your song list, your playlist, so the other songs will be covered up with a new one, so those lists cannot be in your recently played history for them to be removed continuously. So that is the continuous process you can do it for you to remove if you're really bothered by your recently played list. Otherwise, there is no option available, unfortunately. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.